Welcome everyone to the list view video for Labii ELN and LIMS. Labii helps scientists document, manage, and interpret research data all in one online repository. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the relevant functions related to the list view. So first thing we'll do is open a list view for a particular table, and you can quickly access the table by simply clicking the table icon in the nav bar. You can type the name here of the table to narrow results, but for this video, let's select experiments. And here is the layout for the list view of experiments, and I want to highlight some key functions here. You have the add button. If you click the add button, you can add a new experiment. You have in-page search. So the value here is when you have hundreds of items displayed on one page, the in-page search function will help you quickly find a particular item and results appear in real time as you type. And then for filters is a drop-down list of filters, which type of experiments you prefer to be shown. Here we have projects, so you can quickly access to see which experiments are tied to a particular project. We have menu, in which you can import and export data, and we've also included reports, experiment settings, and default sections all within this menu. And then for pages, you have this ability to choose between 10 to up to 2,000 items shown per page, and you can simply navigate through the page by clicking the left and right icon here on the top right hand corner. Now, moving right along, I wanted to showcase the sidebar. So the sidebar contains quick access links, so you don't have to leave the page you're on to find this information. And some of the key items you can find within the sidebar is the add experiment. Similar to the add button I shown earlier, you can add an experiment directly from here. You have a list of experiment filters. If you click here, you can see all of the experiment filters, and then also the filter settings, which you can create experiment filter simply by clicking create experiment filter, and you can view all the experiment filters you have as well. And then sticking with the sidebar, we also have projects. So here we can see all the projects that we have. And so let's say if I click sample project, this will show me all the experiments that are tied to sample projects. So staying along with the list view, with projects being shown, we also have reports, experiment settings, and even a help section as well. Now within list view, you do have the ability for inline editing. So data can be updated directly in the list view, and to edit the values of the content in the columns directly, all you have to do is hover your mouse around a value that you'd like to change. Let's say we want to add a start date for this experiment. Click the pencil icon, choose the start date, hit OK, and just simply click submit, and you've just inline edited without having to leave the page. Now you also have the ability to edit multiple records at the same time as we provide a bulk edit function. So to edit multiple records at once, simply select the check boxes of the record you'd like to edit, or you can check the top box to select all. Click bulk edit in the nav bar, and here select which column you'd want to edit and provide a new value. For this video, we'll choose the project for the column. So here the 10 selected experiments will be updated to the sample project if I click submit. Now going back, I'd like to showcase our bulk print function, which is also still within the list view page. So you can print multiple or all records at once, and to do so, very similar to editing multiple records, select the checkboxes that you'd like to print or select all by clicking the top checkbox. You click bulk print. So you have two options, which is print detail. It prints a transcript of your records with all of its details, and then QR code. And that prints the barcode of the records, which is extremely useful for sample or inventory management. So with that being said, I know we covered a lot with the list view of experiments, and the list view is similar to all other tables such as samples, inventory, and more. Labii's list view enables you to manage all records for a table and makes it easier than ever to access the data that's most important to you, resulting in not having to navigate from your current page to find other important records and data. Thank you guys for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.